Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to a new video. So in this video we will talk about black long heels. Before starting, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, please do not forget to press the bell icon in order to get notification of my new videos. And go on to my YouTube channel and watch all the videos I have uploaded for you. Now let's start our video. So this video is about black long heels. So black long heels, often referred to simply as black heels, they are staple in the world of fashion, revered for their timeless appeal. They exude sophistication and can elevate any ensemble to new heights. Their dark hue is symbolic of classic elegance, while their length accentuates the wearer's posture and legs. Universally flattering, black heels can seamlessly transition from daytime wear to evening elegance. Across the globe, fashionistas consider a pair of black heels a must-have in their wardrobe. They provide versatility unparalleled by other footwear, pairing equally well with the business attire, casual wear, or gala gowns. The design spectrum of black heels ranges from minimalist stilettos or opulent platforms adorned with embellishments. However, black long heels come with their own set of challenges. Extended wear can lead to discomfort, and walking with grace requires practice. Despite these challenges, many choose to brave them for the unmatched confidence these shoes offer. It's not just about height, it's about the aura of empowerment they radiate. In history, heels have had varying significance, from denoting social status to being tools of empowerment. Today, black heels stand as symbols of modern femininity, merging with the power of poise. In the vast sea of fashion, black long heels remain an island of timeless allure. So friends, I hope you like this video. Tell me in comments if you like this video, and if you want more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video with more creative ideas of these very beautiful black long heels. Goodbye, see you soon.